Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Squarespace Summary Block. This feature is incredibly useful for automatically displaying collections of your content, like blog posts or portfolio items, in an organized, visually appealing way across your website. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be taken to your dashboard where all your websites are displayed. From here, simply click on the website where you want to add the summary block. This will open up the specific site you're working on. On the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Click on it and then click the Edit button. This takes you into the editing interface where you can make changes to your site's layout and content. You'll notice that your website is now in edit mode, allowing you to modify sections and add new elements. Next, navigate to the section where you want the summary block to appear. Once you've selected that section, look for the Add Block option and click on it. A menu will pop up showing various block types you can insert into your page. Scroll through the options until you find Summary, then click on it. The summary block will now be added to your selected section. Now click directly on the summary block you just added, and you'll see a pencil icon appear. Click on this pencil icon to open the summary block settings. This is where you'll configure what content your summary block will display and how it will look. You'll first land on the Content tab. Here you can select which page will provide the content for your summary block. For this tutorial, we'll select Blog as our content source. After making your selection, click Go Back to return to the main settings menu. Below that, you'll see an option called Primary Metadata. This lets you choose what information displays first with each item in your summary. Right underneath, there's also Secondary Metadata, where you can select additional information to show. Choose options that best suit your content and design preferences. Once you've configured the metadata, move over to the Design tab. This is where you can really customize the appearance of your summary block. Here you can edit the layout by selecting from different layout options that Squarespace provides. Take your time browsing through these to find one that fits your site's aesthetic. You can also edit the number of items that display in the summary block and adjust the text alignment to match your design. Additionally, you have the option to enable or disable various elements like the title, featured image, excerpt, and read more link. Which elements you enable will depend on the type of content you're summarizing and how you want visitors to interact with it. Another useful feature is the metadata positioning setting. This allows you to control where your metadata appears in relation to other elements. You can choose to place it above the title, below the title, or below the content, depending on what looks best for your layout. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations and everything looks exactly how you want it, click Save to apply all your changes. Your summary block is now live on your site, automatically pulling in and displaying your selected content in the format you've designed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.